Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix the cursor loading blinking circle issue in Windows 11. First, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. This will open a window showing all the apps and background processes currently running on your PC. Now, scroll down and locate Windows Explorer in the list of processes. Right-click on it and select Restart. Restarting Explorer refreshes your desktop and taskbar, which can fix temporary glitches that cause the blinking loading circle cursor. Next, press Windows button plus R to open the Run dialog, type msconfig, and click OK. This opens the system configuration window. Under the General tab, check the Startup selection options. Ensure Normal Startup is selected if it's not already, so all essential Windows services load correctly. Then go to the Services tab. Check the box for Hide All Microsoft Services. This hides essential Microsoft processes so you don't accidentally disable them. After that, click Disable All to temporarily turn off third-party services that may be causing the cursor to lag. Click OK to save changes and close the window. Open the Start menu again and search for Device Manager, then open it. Expand mice and other pointing devices, right-click on Synaptic's pointing device or your laptop's touchpad driver and select Update Driver. Then, click Search automatically for drivers to let Windows find and install the latest driver version. Next, expand display adapters and right-click on each listed adapter one by one, selecting Update Driver for each. Then, choose Search automatically for drivers, so Windows ensures your graphics drivers are up to date, which can reduce cursor lag caused by graphics issues. If automatic updates don't fix the issue, right-click the driver again, select Browse My Computer for drivers, then choose Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the driver manually to ensure it's correctly installed. Go back to the desktop, open the Start menu, and search for Mouse Settings. Click to open it. Then select Additional Mouse Settings. In the new window, make sure Enable Track Point or Enable Touchpad is checked. If this option is disabled, your cursor may behave erratically when the system is under load. Now, go to the Pointers tab, choose a scheme like Windows Default System Scheme, and click OK. Setting a default pointer scheme can prevent visual glitches in the cursor. After that, press Windows button plus R again, type services.msc, and click OK to open the Services Manager. Now, locate Windows Search and right-click it and select Stop. Sometimes Windows Search can overuse system resources, causing the cursor to show a blinking loading circle. Stopping it temporarily can reduce this issue. Open the Start menu once more, search for Windows Security, and open it. Then, go to Virus and Threat Protection and run a quick scan. Malware or unwanted background apps can sometimes interfere with system performance and cursor behavior. Finally, open Command Prompt as administrator and run the following commands one by one: sfc/scannow, dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. The SFC command scans for corrupted system files and repairs them automatically, while the DISM command checks and repairs the Windows image. Together, these can fix system errors that may cause cursor lag. After completing all these steps, restart your PC. When Windows boots up, your cursor should no longer display the continuous loading circle. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.